What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about the value of using a training bag and just kicking a target instead of the air. As tricking athletes, we are always kicking the air and seldom do we actually focus on kicking a target itself. And today, that's what I want to talk about. A ton of exercises and training things you can do on a bag that will definitely improve your kicks. The first thing I want to talk about is roundhouse kicks. And the big thing about roundhouse kicks is if you want to do a pretty looking roundhouse kick, you need to point your toes. And it just makes your kick look so much better. And why are you kicking a bag with pointed toes? Because you want to strike it with your instep, this part of your foot. That's the part of your foot that you want to contact the bag when you perform a roundhouse kick. If you do a roundhouse kick with boot foot, as I like to call it, you're gonna break your toes and it's not gonna feel good unless you have like buff Superman Hulk toes that don't care if you slam and jam them into a bag. So just practicing roundhouse kicks on a bag is a great way to improve your ability and just get you really used to pointing your toes. And if you kick a bag enough times, it will become automatic. Because every time you kick the bag with boot foot, your body will tell you and it's gonna hurt like all get out. Guys, trust me, point your toes by kicking the bag. The second thing we're gonna train with our bag is accuracy. Each bag has a logo or a branding right on the front and you can use that to target your kicks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a series of roundhouse kicks, kicking the brand, then above it, then below it, then back, boom, 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 boom. Just trying to practice the accuracy of my kicks. So right on the top, right above it, then below. On, above, below. Ba, 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 ba. Oh. It's also a balance exercise and it takes a lot of work for your plant leg to hold yourself up as you kick the target. And every time you kick it with boot foot, your body will tell you because your toes will hurt. This is a great exercise to not only train your strength and your flexibility because you have to hike your leg up each time, and your stamina, all of it. Trust me guys, if you do this exercise, it will help your roundhouse kicks and just give you a more dynamic and accurate kick. The third thing I want to talk about is developing power by just murdering the bag. So even though a tricker is just kicking the air when they do a roundhouse kick or a 540, that doesn't mean they're not kicking hard. Every time they throw that leg up, if there was a target there, it would just be destroyed. And training your power is essential if you want good, strong kicks. And kicking a bag at full blast is a great way to train your power. This one's a little light, so I have to pick it up each time. Side kick. Fourth, we're gonna do an exercise to help us develop good hip turnover, and that is the rapid roundhouse. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start on one side and do a roundhouse kick on the bag, and then we're gonna push off with our leg and turn our hips all the way over 180 degrees to kick it with the other side. And then we're gonna return by pushing off the other leg right back where we started. And then you just go back and forth, performing strong roundhouse kicks on the bag. It's a great endurance exercise, and if you want to have each round kick hit properly, you need good, strong hip turnover. Trust me guys, this is a great exercise for developing just that. Our fifth and final drill is all about conditioning your hook kick, and that is the hook return. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get in the fighting stance facing our bag, then we're gonna perform a hook kick and then push off the bag again to return right back where we started. It's a great exercise for helping you develop the control you need while also kicking a target to help you point your toes when you do a hook kick. When you do a hook kick, you don't want to hit with your Achilles tendon. You want to point your toes to kick with the bottom of your foot. That is a good hook kick. And practicing the hook return, where you just start in that fighter stance, hit it, come right back is a great way to condition and develop your hook kick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think kicking is an extremely important part of tricking. And if you want to be a good tricking athlete, you need good, solid kicks. If you want to learn more about kicks and my philosophy around developing the strength and the flexibility you need to do good kicks, go to my website, howtomastertricking.com, and check out the Mastering Curriculum. It's an ebook series that helps you learn how to get better at tricking. And if you want to save some money, use the promo code ICELORD to save 15% at checkout. And guys, don't forget, I'll be live streaming out of this gym Monday and Sunday nights. So if you want, follow the Tricking Nation and join Mastering Tricking on Twitch. Seriously guys, it's been an awesome move. Thank you to everybody who has supported and followed me on this journey. Thank you again, and please have a lovely day.